Good morning. Today is Friday, December 2nd of 2022. It is 7:28 in the morning. I am about to head to Walmart. Not sure what my car is doing. But I want to kind of quickly go over through how was yesterday, which was a fantastic day with Walmart. And then I don't know, didn't go much after that. Let's go first. So as you guys can see, if I move slowly, this screenshot was taken at 3:51. So by 4 o'clock, I did $213 from start at 7:20, which I consider that to be very nice. That was like what, 8 hours, um, 8.5 hours. So 8.5 hours for $213, $214 because 75 cents will round it up. Very nice. Then here, let me start the trip. Too early. And then let's go to. Then I took a break to have lunch, and then I got back at 6:15, and they were just not giving me. First order was Popeye. I had to drop it because the line was like 20 cars and the store was closed. So it's just not worth it. So I dropped that. Then they gave me this. The next one, it took me an hour because it was like 11 miles. Then gave me a second one. It was like 8 miles. I just said, screw it. I was tired. Every order on Walmart was large or extra large. And I'm not talking about what's said on the screen because it's screwed up what says on the screen. So I'm going to get an extra large. There's only one case of soda. And time you have a full trunk and it says medium. So that doesn't make sense for me as what they sometimes say. So that's where, I don't take by what it says. It's what actually, my opinion is of the order. So I had a lot of large orders yesterday. But it paid good. This morning, I got this one, 1282. Don't remember, 4.7 miles. Okay, and then we can go. So, honestly, compared to what I took yesterday, that's, small. Let's look at yesterday's orders. You guys can get an idea. You guys already seen. So yeah, the smallest order I had was 1850 yesterday. Everything else was above that. The 4177 was a .com order or GM order, some people call it. Took me almost 2 hours to do it from the time I received it because I did been able to get that 120 order. So, but I was it was like 2 minutes or something before, but I finished before I've been able to get that order. So it was really tight, but I got it. So kind of, give you guys an idea how things turned out yesterday. So, we'll see how the day goes today. I will be starting up Uber at 4:30, not like I did yesterday at 6. So hopefully, because I'm suspecting, and here's something about Uber, which I also noticed with DoorDash. What I'm suspecting is the time that we get on the platform matters. And what I mean by this, so let's say they have from the fast paying orders all the way going up to like substitutes. So what I mean by that is they try to fill the orders from the top to bottom. So they start with the best orders, and then the second order, third type orders, and then at certain point when when all those spots are filled, then they need people to take overflows. The orders that nobody wants to take, orders that they no longer have those priority drivers, those drivers that they filled for those higher spots. Then you come in and you becoming this person that taking whatever left over, and that's why you usually don't get order past 7:30, 8 o'clock, because there's nothing left. Because right now they're trying to fill those guys, and I think that's how they're filling in those orders as well. So like yesterday, I came in late because I got on a platform like 6:05 or something like that, 6:02, and I was late to the table, so I was the last. So the last gets nothing. So I was just getting a bunch of shit orders compared to where if I would have got on around 4:30 or 4 o'clock, which is exact. It also matters from what time they start actually, it counts. So like, day before, I got on at 4:30, and I, got on at a perfect spot. They kept me busy all day. They gave me good orders. Look at that. I'm gonna go back to this day. I did $123 from 4:25 till till about 10 o'clock, because I don't know how long I took that order. Look at some of the, you guys cannot see the tip orders, the tips, what the actual payout was. Look at the actual payouts. 15, 17, 18, 16. Some of those payouts were really nice payouts. So, that's where the difference. And, and they kept me busy. Like, finish an order or about to finish an order, they throw me a next one. Where yesterday, I sat a lot. I'm not gonna sit. I'm tired. I'm gonna go home. Which, of course, I was planning at least to go to sleep right 8. Did not happen until 10 because my daughter was too hyper. So that's how I believe things are happening with some of these apps. I seen that pattern with DoorDash, where if I would get on the app before 11 in Lexington, I would stay busy as a top dasher. If I would get on an app after 11, I wouldn't be as busy, and I noticed that as well. So I think I guess there is similarity with these apps, I guess, or something. I don't know. But I'm about to arrive to Walmart, and we'll start my day and see how this day goes, and go from there. Be blessed.